A people will only attain greatness if its inherent potentials and resources are creatively explored. With expansive arable land, viable natural resources, clement all-year weather, proximities to the nation's economic nerve and the West African trade route, and blessed with unmatched human resource to create wealth, the task of transforming our Ogun state requires the willful duty of harnessing these potentials in regenerating economic sectors of agriculture, commerce, manufacturing, startups, tourism, sports, and innovation-based enterprise of our productive class towards socio-economic growth and shared prosperity. Biyi Otegbeye is committed to these ideals. He will face the interconnected challenges that confront us and indeed make life more abundant for all.
I am Biyi Otegbeye. This is my pact with Ogun people.